Hi, yourself, please. 138784. Were you the driver out of Romford Road?
Welcome to UK Cop Law, where real UK police footage is examined through facts, public rights.
So guys, if you want to know what's inside a speed camera box, look at this. That's what it looks like on the inside, guys. Look. That's up. Double yellow line as well.
Alright guys, listen up. If you ever wondered what's inside a speed camera box, this is your moment. Look at this. It's packed with wires, sensors, and tech that actually do the job. Double yellow lines? Right here too. Crazy, right? Seeing it up close really shows how precise these setups are. And trust me, this is just a start. By the end of this, you'll see how tech, rules, and chaos collide on the roads in ways you didn't expect.
Yeah. Can't hear you. Pardon? I just want to show the public what it's like on the inside of a box. I can't believe they still work these. But they don't detect 20s, do they?
Not 720s, it's 30.
If you don't mind me asking though, how do you get away with parking on double yellows like that? You're allowed to do that? Really?
Now, here's the kicker. They're not set for 20s, only 30. But check this. How do people get away with parking on WLs like this? We're on the highway, and technically, it's allowed. Look how the cameras come down low so they can work properly. And right when you think it's routine, chaos hits. Cars ignoring rules, people taking liberties with turns, and the system just tries to keep up. All right, guys, this is where the real drama begins.
Look how they come down low like that though, so they can work on them. So guys, no way. They've only done it right. They've done it right out of there when it's an alright turn. I knew they were going to do it. Look, and he's holding off at Rodo. Now this causes chaos, this, you know, guys. But he's done an alright turn. Look, I knew we were going to do it. That's why I persevered and hung about. Look, at this sign there, guys. Look at the signs here. No right turn and do a part right here on doubles. Can you believe it? Now I'm going to prove to you as well how this is absolutely bollocks.
Watch this. He makes a right turn where the sign clearly says no right turn. I called it. Holding off, causing chaos, ignoring signs, double yellows all around. Absolute madness. And get this, they can't even claim they're on the way to work. They just pulled into Starbucks for a coffee. Guys, this is pure bollocks. Cameras catch everything, yet excuses fly everywhere. This is how law, tech, and human behavior collide on a tiny street.
I'm going to use them words because they can't say they're on the way to a job, right? I'll tell you why. They come out of here, and when I seen them doing this left here, I thought, now you're taking the piss, because they've only pulled in to Starbucks to get a coffee. So they can't even use the excuse of why they've made the illegal right turn, because they're going to the job. They can't, because look, here's the van. Oh yeah. The ones at the counter there. So there you go. Oh, we meet again. Can you identify yourself, please? 138784. Were you the driver out of Romford Road? You committed a traffic offence. You did a right turn and went in Starbucks. Is that your collar number? No, when you come out of that road where you were doing a thing, you did a right.
Boom. Identification time. The driver who turned into Starbucks didn't even realize it. I'm not here to interfere with the job, but I've got it all on camera. Classic scenario. Speeding 36, 37 in a 30 zone, and suddenly, no ignorance in law. The truth? Safety teams mess up, signs get ignored, drivers make small mistakes, and the system punishes inconsistently. Guys, this is the front line of traffic enforcement. Raw, uncut, and unapologetic. Tech versus humans. Law versus chaos. It's all here, captured perfectly for you.
Right, and then a left into Starbucks. That's an alright turn, that. I'm going to have to... That's why I want your collar number. What is it, sorry? Yeah, alright, thanks a lot, mate. You take care, yeah? Have a nice day. I don't want to hold him up from doing the job or interfere, but I've got it on camera. He didn't even know he did it. So this is what I mean. If you get caught speeding 36, 37, and 30, the first thing they're going to say is, oh, well, there's no ignorance in regards to the law. Well, as you see, guys, the safety team, they mess up.